Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eddie and today we're going to talk about the 5 best credit repair software to use for your business or for yourself. And right now I'm currently in the middle of moving, so I do have a lot of stuff in the background. But I do want to create this video because I've been getting a lot of people messaging me about different types of software they can use, ranging from, budget options and high-end software. So let's go ahead and continue. Don't forget to smash that like button for me. And also leave a comment if you guys learned anything in this video. So software number 1, which is the one we currently use for our business, is Credit Repair Cloud. Credit Repair Cloud is an all-in-one software that allows you to start, grow, and scale a credit repair business. And this allows you to automate most of the process when it comes to disputing, and as well as getting your first few clients, contracts, and dispute letter templates. Now, most softwares do almost the same thing, but Credit Repair Cloud, the reason why they're such a big software company and as well as have over 17,000 members is because they do offer different types of training and products that you can use to scale your company, and as well as their community system is like humongous. So you guys can go into their Facebook group and see how many active users they have. And with Credit Repair Cloud, you can do a lot of different types of things. And again, this allows you to basically automate most of the process in your credit repair business. Depending if you're already using another software, you can migrate your entire system into Credit Repair Cloud. So let's go ahead and move forward and see just a little bit more info from their software. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you a quick little overview of the Credit Repair Cloud and kind of show you guys the pricing, product, and trainings, and kind of who they are and the owner of the company. So I'm just going to continue, and I'm just going to show you a quick overview of their website. They just recently updated their entire site, so it does look very nice and a lot more cleaner and modern. But as you can see, with Credit Repair Cloud, you can go ahead and sign up for a free trial, and I do have my link in the description below, which is also my affiliate link. Now, as you can see, they currently have over 17,000 users. They've processed over $148 million worth of funds and currently at 40 millionaires. And hopefully one day that will be me and you as well. So what is Credit Repair Cloud? It's a software that makes it incredibly easy to launch, run, and grow your own credit repair business. These are some of the users. Now, you can also go ahead and take their free trainings, their software certifications, and as well as the Credit Hero Challenge, which does go for about $47. And as you can see that you do get a 30-day free trial and you can cancel at any time. So if you want to go ahead and use it again for the free trial, you can totally do that. Create a new account and trial until you feel comfortable. Now let's go ahead and go over to the pricing so you can see that here. So the pricing, as you can see, it does start at $179 a month. And that allows you to have 3 team members, unlimited storage, unlimited affiliates, and up to 300 active clients. So once you're at 300 active clients, you should be way more than comfortable to upgrade. And that's going to be at the $299 a month. And that allows you to have 600 clients. This is a great way to start just growing at a good rate. And Credit Repair Cloud shows you that as well. Now, if you're going to go ahead and let's say you don't have any type of credit repair training, you can go ahead to their tab here. It's going to take you to the Credit Hero Challenge. I recommend this to anyone who is still learning about credit repair and wants to make sure that this business is right for them, because you don't want to just jump into a business without having any kind of experience, because you might end up quitting. And unfortunately, that happens to many people. And a lot of people end up giving up on the software, on the company, and this training allows you to make sure that you feel comfortable. You can get your certifications, you get your dispute certifications, and this allows you to do that. And it is every 14 days, and it is for $47. So let's go ahead and go back to the videos, and you guys can see the other softwares that you can use for your business or for yourself. Now, the second software on the list is going to be Client Dispute Manager. This software allows you to basically do the same thing that Credit Repair Cloud does, and they do offer trainings, bonuses, and other type of community support. Now, I do believe that these two softwares are hand to hand and they do really compete with each other, but initially they do the same thing. So the reason why I went with Credit Per Cloud is because I took the Credit Hero Challenge, and this allowed me to kind of put my foot into Credit Per Business. I've already been in the Credit Per space and student loan industry for over 4 years now. But yeah, so Credit Per Cloud and Client Dispute Manager are on the top 2 of my list. And if you guys want any free info, you guys can go to their website. You guys can get free trials on their software, and I'm gonna link all of the links in my description, which are also my affiliate links. So again, CDM allows you to take their training. He does have a YouTube channel that allows you to watch their tutorials and other information like that. Now, the next software on the list is DisputeBee. DisputeBee allows you to use 2 types of payment plans. Now, the first one is going to be an individual plan where it allows you to fix your own credit, or you can become an affiliate for them and refer them leads via their affiliate system, and you can make a small commission as well. Now, they do have the Credit Per Business plan, which goes for $99 a month, and this allows you to automate your Credit Per Business just like the other 2. So the only reason why I do like DisputeBee and I put it on the list is because it allows you to 2 different types of plans, and that, like, again, would be the individual plan and the growth Credit Per Business plan. This is a great way for you to start a business if you're looking to, while you're going ahead and starting your Credit Per Business, you can start referring people to DisputeBee on the individual plan while you're setting up your LLC, your business information license, and everything. The next software on the list is Credit Letters Generator. This is a more budget-friendly option for anyone who is really needing to just kind of get their foot in the door with Credit Per Business software. And this has a much more affordable plan, and those plans range from $20 a month to $40 a month. And again, this is a little bit more limited software, nothing compared to Credit Per Cloud or Client Dispute Manager. But this is a great way to start taking in clients and sending out letters for them. And you can also use Zapier, which is an automation tool, to kind of link that with your CRM systems, your email marketing, your website. And again, this is a great software to start, but if you want to start taking in more clients, having a more efficient system, you're going to want to have one of the first 2 Credit Per softwares. The last software on the list is going to be ScoreCEO. This software is essentially like Credit Per Cloud, and again, this software allows you to automate your Credit Per Business. And I know I sound like a broken record, but that's basically the industry of the Credit Per Business. It makes it look more appealing to the audience and their leads that you can automate your business with one click of a button using dispute letter generators, auto bulking for printing, and also your CRM system. They essentially all do the same thing. The great thing about all of these softwares is that they allow you to use a free trial, and you don't have to, or you're not obligated to stick with them. There's no long-term contracts, there's no long-term fees, no upfront cost when it comes to using the software. Now, when you're actually starting a Credit Per Business, what a lot of people don't know about is you're gonna need to spend money upfront to get your business license, to get your business bonds, insurance and liability, maybe even your marketing costs, such as getting shirts, business cards, getting to talk to real estate agents, loan officers, and other affiliates. And that is going to cost you. We spent around $2,000 to $3,000 to get everything up and running. And on top of the software for Credit Per Cloud, we do pay a monthly payment to them to get our, all of our leads and all of our systems in place. And on top of that, we also have our website, we have email marketing, and all of that comes into play and does cost a fee to get started. A lot of people don't understand that when they first start the business, and they think that they can just fix people's credit, and a lot of risk comes to that because you're working with credit reports, you're working on people's information and sensitive documents, and you want to make sure that you are completely protected when you're doing this. So if you guys like this video, please go ahead and comment anything that you learned today. Go ahead and smash that like button for me. And I'm going to be creating more content based off of credit repair business, software, and how to automate your business, and as well as disputes for your credit reports. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much, and peace out.